Okay, I want to show you how to replace the batteries on this lock, the Kwikset SmartCode 260. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to go to the interior assembly. Okay, right here. The next step is to remove the battery cover. This is the cover right here. Slide the cover up and remove it. Okay, so you can see this lock uses 4 AA batteries. Okay, so you want to get the old batteries out and get your new ones in. Okay, this way, remove the batteries and get your new ones in. Okay, so make sure you insert your new batteries properly and make sure you don't mix old batteries with new ones. Okay, so that's how to replace the batteries. Okay, so after that, you want to get your cover and replace it. Okay, okay, so that's how to replace the batteries on your Kwikset SmartCode 260. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.